Hey, and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to do speech analysis regarding stress and intonation. Pay close attention to this video and watch the examples that we go through as many times as you need to practice more these different aspects of speech yourself, because being able to analyze things on your own moving forward is a really important part to feeling independent in your pronunciation and accent challenges moving forward, okay? So what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna take you through the PDF example that you have of a speech analysis so that you can see how to do this on your own. The example that I'm using is from the hit sitcom, the American sitcom called Friends. I think most of you will have heard of the show Friends in your life. So here's a quick script that I'm taking from a really short clip from Friends. I recommend working with really short clips, especially when you start analyzing, because you need to practice your analysis skills to get more comfortable with it. So you can get free scripts from different episodes of Friends at this website, which is why I use it a lot with my analysis, because it's really easy to find the script. So you don't have to take the time to find where a script is to find what people are talking about, right? You can just go to here, it tells you who's speaking, what they say. You can copy and paste this into a document and then edit it how you want when you do analysis, okay? So in this speech analysis, we're going to listen to a clip analyzed in this short video. So it's just 54 seconds. We're going to listen to the video first, and then we are going to analyze together, and I'll show you how I do that. So let's go ahead and give it a listen. I want you to pay attention to all that is being done with stress and intonation, all that we've talked about in this prosody module so far.
Mama, when you first saw the giant dog shadow fall over the park? Yeah, but did they have to shoot him down? I mean, that was just mean. Okay, right about now, the turkey should be crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. Why are we standing here? We're waiting for you to open the door. You've got the keys. No, I don't. Yes, you do. When we left, you said, got the keys. No, I didn't. I asked, got the keys? No. You said, got the keys.
Either of you have the keys?
The oven is on. Oh, I've got to get my ticket.
Oh, wait. We have a copy of your key.
Well, then get it.
Hey, that tone won't make me go any faster.
Joey?
It will.
Okay, so you guys should notice that within this video, there is a miscommunication that's being had between the people, between the characters, because of an intonation misunderstanding. So intonation is super important. So we're going to analyze some different parts here. For the first half of this script, we are going to analyze stress, okay? For the first couple of sentences, and then after that we're going to move on to intonation, and I'm going to show you how to do both parts. So the second part of this PDF that you guys have access to is steps for analyzing stress. So this is what we saw in the presentation on stress. So first we're going to identify content words, so the message words. Then we're going to identify and reduce the function words using the schwa, and we're going to also identify the focus word. Okay, so that's what we're going to do for the first part. We're going to go until, let's say, this part. Okay, so this will be the first half where we talk about stress. All right, so first we are identifying content words. Now, just with the script that we have, we can identify content words, and we're going to highlight them. So loved, right, a main verb, loved. I want to make sure just loved is highlighted. Loved, the moment is a noun. When you first saw, so first as an adjective here, saw the main verb, the giant adjective dog, noun, shadow, noun, all over the park, noun. Okay, so these are our content words. Now, what are our function words? So our function words we have are, remember, these non-important, the words that don't have a meaning if we don't attach another like noun, adjective, adverb to them. So I is an example. I is often just reduced to a schwa. I'll put a little apostrophe to represent the schwa. Instead of the, we're going to hear the, especially because the moment starts with a consonant. So we're going to say the moment. When you first, when, so instead of when, we don't emphasize N, we say when you first saw the with a schwa, because it's a function word, so we take the vowel and we turn it into schwa. Giant dog shadow all over the park. All over the park. All over the park. All over the park. And when we have these function words that all go together, they sound like they almost get stuck together. They go really fast. All over the park. Okay, so let's listen to the way Rachel says it again and listen to which word is her focus word. Remember, the focus word tends to be the last content word in a sentence. So let's hear if she chooses to use the focus word park.
First saw the giant dog shadow fall over the park? Yeah.
The moment when we first saw the dog or the giant dog shadow all over the park. So these subtitles are not 100% accurate in this video clip, so don't pay attention to those. But you could hear that she was stressing all of the content words. I love the moment when you first saw the giant dog shadow all over the park. And with park, we hear that she really, really emphasizes it. So this is her focus word, okay? Next part, we're gonna analyze Phoebe's. Yeah, but did they have to shoot him down? Okay, so we're gonna look for our content words. So, but did they have to, so all of these are pretty much function words, right? She's just sort of structuring the question, but did they have to shoot him down, to shoot down as a verb, okay? But did they have to shoot him down? Our function words, it's like everything else, but, with a quick schwa, did they have to, and every word can be turned into a, all of the function words, can be turned into a reduced form with a schwa, but how many words are reduced can maybe just have to depend on how quickly someone is speaking. So let's listen to Phoebe.
All over the park? Yeah, but did they have to shoot him down?
Yeah, but did they have to, so this part goes really fast. But did they have to shoot him down? Him, we also don't hear him, but him, shoot him down. Yeah, but did they have to shoot him down? But did they have to shoot him down? Down being used as the main focus word here. But did they have to shoot him down? So down is being emphasized more. And then she says,
and that was just mean.
that was just mean. That was just mean. So she says mean 2 times. They have different meanings in each one, but she says mean 2 times, and those are our content words. And the last one is the focus word. And in the middle, we have some function words that was just. Okay, so we're replacing, with the function words, we're replacing the vowel with a schwa, a quick So let's read the sentence together. Yeah, but did they have to shoot him down? Yeah, but did they have to shoot him down? That was just mean. That was just mean. Emphasis on the mean, okay? That was just mean. So that's how we are doing the first part, okay? I think these were some pretty good examples with these first 2 sentences because they had quite a few different content words. So that's what we do, okay? We identify the content words, then we identify and reduce the function words using a schwa, and then we identify the focus word, okay? So now we're going to do a little bit of intonation work with this next part because we hear a miscommunication based on intonation. So, steps for analyzing intonation. First, we're going to identify which pattern is being used. So is it like a rising to falling, like we do for statements? Is it rising, like when we ask a question or show surprise or politeness? Is it flat, monotone? Is it showing neutrality, boredom, etc.? And then we're going to ask why they're using that specific intonation pattern. So is it to ask a question? Is it to show excitement? Is it to show boredom, for example? And then I want you to ask yourself which intonation pattern you would normally use in that situation and compare. If they're the same, awesome, keep doing it. If they are drastically different, try to figure out why and how you use intonation differently so that when you find more situations like that, using those expressions or words or meanings, that you can practice and implement it yourself. Okay, so let's see here for this next part. We're going to go to the yes, you do. When we left, you said got the keys. Okay, we're going to go to this part.
We're waiting for you to open the door. You've got the keys.
You've got the keys. We can also hear a focus word there. You've got the keys.
No, I don't.
No, I don't. Focus on the no. No, no, I don't. Remember, negative elements are important.
Yes, you do. What?
Yes, you do. Yes, you do. So she starts to emphasize each one of these words because everything is really important. Yes, you do. So she is using some pretty she's emphasizing all the words, and it's because all of them are important here, and it's a really short sentence. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. And she's really, really stressing this do, okay? Now we're going to pay attention to this intonation here.
When we left, you said got the keys.
You said got the keys. You said got the keys. Got the keys. So she understood it as got the keys. Like I say in a statement, I've got the keys. I've got the keys. So she understood it as a sentence, as a declaration. But then Monica, the other character, she says, no.
No, I didn't.
No, I didn't. She's stressing the didn't there, right? No, I didn't.
Asked, got the keys?
I asked, got the keys. So she is using rising intonation there to ask a question. Like, okay, hey, Rachel, do you have the keys? Do you have the keys? Do you have the keys? A yes, no question. And then Rachel's like,
No, you said got the keys.
Got the keys. So she doesn't rise up her intonation on the keys. She's got the keys. Keys. So she understood this as, again, falling intonation, which would be a declaration. Okay? And then Chandler comes in with a question. This guy.
Either of you have the keys?
Do either of you have the keys? So he's really stressing the word have here because we talked about stress before. He wants to know who has them. So this is the main verb he's using. Who has the keys, right? And then because he's asking a question, he exaggerates the fact that he's saying keys and he uses rising intonation. Okay, so let's go ahead and practice and imitate these sentences with me, just these first four as a quick run through. Yes, you do. When we left, you said, got the keys. No, I didn't. I asked, got the keys? No, you said, got the keys. Do either of you have the keys? Okay. And you can play and practice with this. And I really recommend if you have friends or other people that like to practice their English or that just like to be around you and would enjoy doing a quick run through of a dialogue like this and practicing. This really helps you to better control your speech patterns and the way you use stress and intonation. So doing little things like this, like 5 or 10 minutes, one day, another day, throughout the week. It can really help you to start to heighten your awareness and your your sensitivity to these different kinds of patterns so that you can just control them better moving forward. Okay? Great job with this prosody module. I'm so proud of you for working so hard on these aspects of speech that are not commonly talked about. So amazing job. So proud of you. I will see you in the next video. Good luck with your practice.